Welcome guys to today's video. Today I'll be showing us how to mine BTC, which is Bitcoins, and we can withdraw it to our straight to our wallet account. So depending on the wallet account you are using. So this is the site you are going to work on. This is the site you are going to mine our coins on. So when you just click on the link at the description below, the first link at the description below, it will take you to this site. So the name of this site is wellminer.com. So you can go and click on it or search for it. So but when you click on the link, it will take you to this point. So this point I'll just guide you step by step how to follow. So first of all, you have to create an account with this miner, with this site. So for you to create an account, you can see member login and mine Bitcoin now. So you can just go ahead to sign up, like fill in your own details. So that's what you just have to do in this site. So you click on this sign on button here, so that you have to fill in your details. So when it does load, you start filling your so as you can see now, since it's a new account, since you are for the choice of the video, just click on sign up here, so that it will show us how to create an account with them. So when if you have account with them, just go to your user login, just put your username and your password, then you are good to go. Then for the interest of this video, I'm going to click on sign up, which I just did now. So it will load for us to fill in our details. So I have an account already. Okay, no, I don't have an account already with them. So for you to sign up, look at open new account. You can see the requirement here. You can just go ahead your full name. So this one, you write your full name. There's no first name and last name. Just go ahead and write your full name here. So I just type Successnathaniel, and you choose your username as well. So once you just choose your username, okay, I'll just do so. You now write your password, define password, and you retype it again. So you just put your password and retype it again. So I'll just put my password here. So once I'm done putting my password, look at the space for email. I'll just go ahead and put in my email. This is sncryptoworld@gmail.com. So I'll just go ahead and write it over. So look at, okay, let's say retype your email. So you also go ahead and do the same thing you did your password. You just type your email here at gmail.com. So put your own email or Gmail. So you look at security question and security answer. So you can just give yourself a question and answer which you choose, like what's your nickname. What's your nickname? What's your nickname? So it's not like you cannot give answer to that. Maybe your nickname should be Spider. So you can just go ahead and type your nickname. So I'm just putting my nickname here, Sosido. So then number two is just optional, your payment method. You can just go ahead. Maybe you want to withdraw through Litecoin, Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, or Bitcoin Cash. You just click the link and copy it here. So that's how to go about your withdrawal. So I'll just go to my account, maybe I'll copy the coins I want to be withdrawn and put it here. So let me just go and copy you can just copy any coins and put it here. So that's optional. Maybe you can do that later, but it's better just fill in your details now. So I'll just go straight to my wallet account and copy my Litecoin, because I want to increase my Litecoin. So I'll just go ahead and copy it and put here. So you go the same, you use the same way. So you can use your Trust wallet. So when you use your Trust wallet, you go and copy your coins, your Litecoins there. When you go copy your Litecoins, you click on copy and you get it done. So copied my own Litecoin now. I'll just go straight to the site. So I'll just go straight to the site and paste it. So I'll just go straight to the site and paste the coin. So I'll just click on Litecoin. I don't want to withdraw Bitcoin here, so I'll just click on Litecoin. So you can do to any coins of your choice you want to withdraw. So I just choose to withdraw Litecoin. So I'll just go back and identify that I'm not a robot. So you see here, I'm not a robot. Click on it. So when you click on it and it rotates and tick good, or sometimes you can just do some capture here. So that's one thing about it. So when you just identify that you're not a robot, you click on this box here, which is terms and condition, and you click on register. That's the simple way about it. So the capture seems not to be coming up. Let's wait a while. the capture just still good, so I'll just click on this terms and condition, then I'll now click on register. So once you done click on register, look at your details here. So once you click on register, it will now load to the dashboard when you start mining. All right, immediately you create your account, as you can see, this is how the dashboard is. So these are the dashboards. You just have to save your password as is said at its pop out here. So this is the dashboard. So for you to start mining, you see log in your BTC now and start mining. So that's how you just go about it. So right now just click on login because I've created an account with them. Now I just have to put in my password and my username and password. So this is it. I'll put in my password, my username and password. So I'll just put it so I'll just put in my username and password, which I'll just do now. I'll just click on login. So when I click on login, so I will now identify that I'm not a robot. So once I click on login, this is the page. So I can just click on save to save my password. So you also do the same thing. So right, look at the dashboard here. So it's just a straightforward mining something. So you just go ahead and look at welcome Successnathaniel. So that's just it. You go to your dashboard, look at your dashboard, your miners, buy miners that if you want to increase your mining. So I'll just go straight to mining and look at their contact line. You can just go here and contact and see them any information if you have. And look at here, once you sign in, they start mining already. For look at what I've mined so far. So that's just it. They start mining my litecoin. Actually, I use litecoin, so I can still withdraw my litecoin anytime I need it. So that's what it. And one thing with this site is that they pay you every 24 hours, so you can just withdraw it down to your wallet account. So guys, that's just it for this video. And look at how to withdraw earnings here. You go on to withdraw coins. So look at the mining speed here. So you just click on withdraw coins. Let me just show you how to withdraw. Then before we end the video, let me just show you how to withdraw. But the site is actually paying. I can see it started, the mining has started already. So once I click on withdraw, look at the page it does bring out. So I'll just scroll down to look at the coins you can withdraw. Look at Bitcoin. If you want to withdraw Bitcoin, you just put edit. Click on this edit here and put your Bitcoin wallet address here. So look at my the Litecoin and look at my wallet address. I click on Litecoin. Look at it here. So how this site works is that every 24 hours, any amount of coins you mine, they'll just transfer it straight to your wallet account. So it doesn't go with minimum withdrawal or maximum withdrawal. So that's just how the site works. So like now, look at what I've mined so far. The balance 0.000120. So and pending, there's no withdrawal one here. So once I just create this account now, so the next 24 hours, like 24 hours from now, I'll just credit to my wallet account. So that's just it, guys. Maybe when it's crazy, I'll do a video and show you the withdrawal proof of it. So guys, that's just it. You can go ahead and create your account now and start earning. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please always subscribe to the channel to make and like the video to make others get the same value you are getting from it. All right, thank you and see you in my next video.